There you go. See, moving on to the next question. Who's leading now? Hamza is still leading, followed by Mithun. Rajiv is trying his level best to get on top. Next question. Which song was used for Javed and Group's first rock mime performance? Was it Living on the Edge by Aerosmith? Was it Smells Like Teen Spirit by Nirvana? Was it Stairway to Heaven by Led Zepp? Or was it Sweet Child of Mine by Guns N' Roses? Javed ആദ്യത്തെ അടിച്ച് പൊളിച്ച rock mime performance ഏത് പാട്ടായിരുന്നു? Living on the Edge, Aerosmith was the correct answer, and 14 people got it correct. Excellent.
Shame on you guys.
Ooh, Hamza is on fire, literally. Yes, Nisha is trying to come
One sec.
out. How many hostels were there in TKMC? Okay, this is an approximate number, guys. Less than 5, 5 to 7, 8 to 10, or more than 10. How many hostels? This is including private, college hostels, എല്ലാം. എത്ര hostels ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു TKMC-യിൽ നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ച സമയത്ത്? Less than 5, 5 to 7, 8 to 10, or more than 10. 5 people got it correct. There were more than 10 hostels.
There is a blue tick, is it on the screen?
Name them.
That's just my, probably my, this thing, yeah.
I thought someone prompted me the answer.
Chijoy, hold on. Chijoy.
Yeah. Yes.
Name 10 TKM hostels. Come on. You put the questions together, you got to answer them.
Well, let's all pitch in, man. Let's all pitch in.
Soumya Hostel, LR Hostel, Ladies Hostel, Sri Bhavan, Trust Hostel, MH,
International.
Trust Hostel. അത് പറഞ്ഞു.
Kuttichira. Ansari. Yes. ഇപ്പൊ തന്നെ 11ആയി. Yes, there you go. So the answer is correct.
Annex.
Okay. I'll let you
Moving on. Next question. Who was TKMC's principal in 1996? Was it Dr. Y. Bashir Gutti? Was it Professor R. Girija Devi? Was it Professor K. Natarajan? Or was it Dr. P.M. Abdul Majid? Principal of TKMC in 1996.
ഇവിടെ ഹംസ തെറ്റും വേറെ ആർക്കെങ്കിലും കയറാം.
Six people got it correct. The answer was Professor K. Natarajan. Bashir Kuti was principal from 97 onwards. So he was the more popular one, namalella manasila, but actually this was a trick question. Next, Hamza. Ooh, Hamza position potential. Mithun is leading.
പ്രിൻസിപ്പലും കോളേജിന്റെ അകത്തുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് വരുമ്പോ ഹംസ ഔട്ട് ആവും.
Okay, Adarsh is apparently the highest climber. He has climbed up 4 places. Way to go, Adarsh. Moving on. Who used a mobile phone in the Y2K batch? Was it Imtiaz? Was it Kabir? Was it Faisi? Or was it Afra? Who used a mobile phone in our batch? Imtiaz ano, Kabir ano, Faisi ano, Afra ano?
All 4.
There was a mobile phone.
One person got it correct, and I guess it's Rajiv. Kabir is the correct answer. Rajiv, is that you who got the answer correct?
അവൻ പോലും അറിഞ്ഞില്ല.
അവന്റെ കളർ മാറിയതാണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു.
Okay, Jayan has the highest answer streak of 3. Well done, Jayan. Jayan has the highest answer streak of 3. Okay, good. Well done, Jayan. Next, what is Freeburn Hostel these days, guys? Is it a discotheque? Is it a boys' hostel? Is it a ladies' hostel? Or is it a private lodge?
I was very disappointed.
Freeburn Hostel. ഈ കാലത്ത് എന്താണ്? ഡിസ്കോടെക് ആണോ, ബോയ്സ് ഹോസ്റ്റൽ ആണോ, ലേഡീസ് ഹോസ്റ്റൽ ആണോ, അതോ പ്രൈവറ്റ് ലോഡ്ജ് ആണോ? 11 people got it correct. It is a ladies hostel these days. Poor old Freeburn. Ooh, Hamza is back. And Lini is the highest climber now. She's up 5 places. Well done.
ലേഡീസ് ഹോസ്റ്റൽ അല്ലേ?
Keep it up. Yes. Who was the best cricket batsman in our batch? Was it Rafat? Was it Naveen Raghupati? Was it Tinku? Or was it Stanley? Best cricket batsman in our batch. Rafat ano, Naveen ano, Tinku ano, Stanley ano.
എന്റെയും കോട്ടയത്തിന്റെയും പേര് കണ്ടില്ല. ഞങ്ങൾ ഓൾറൗണ്ടേഴ്സ്.
14 people got it correct. Naveen Raghupati. Jayan has come up. Sajir has climbed up 5 places. Well done, Sajir. Coming from the back.
ഇത് ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ കപ്പെടുത്ത പ്രൊഡക്ഷനിലെ പ്ലെയറിന്റെ അല്ലേ വരേണ്ടത്?
അവർക്ക് എങ്ങനെ കപ്പ് കിട്ടിയപ്പോ?
Hamza is still holding on to his positions. Moving on to the next question. Name of the most requested song during the regular Arts Fest Ganamela. നമ്മളുടെ Arts Fest ഒരു regular Ganamela ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. Okay guys, I'm giving you a bit of a tip. The most requested song during that Ganamela.
Dude,
Chaya Chaya, Dil Se Re, Vande Mataram ആയിരുന്നോ, Mukkala Mukkable ആയിരുന്നോ. Most requested song. Every time that Ganamela happened, we always requested that song.
I don't agree.
5 people got it correct. Vande Mataram. That was the final song. ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടോ?
It was actually words.
It was
No. Listen.
Words
this
was
is
the
not
dedication, da. Words
exactly. Words was dedication. This is the
I've
Ganamela.
been doing this for 25 years.
Eddie, remember the question, all right? This is Ganamela. There was this regular guy who used to come and sing Ganamela. Remember that?
What was his name?
ഒരു regular guy.
Rakesh.
അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആയിരിക്കും, ആരും വെറുതെ പറയണ്ട.
എല്ലാരും അവസാനം വന്ദേ മാതരം വേണമെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് he used to sing, and then the entire auditorium used to sing that song. That's been really fresh in my memory. Okay.
ഒരു അടിക്കുള്ള സ്കോപ്പ് ഉണ്ട്.
Jayan has the highest award streak of 6 questions. Well done, guys. Playing well. Moving on to the next question. Most popular dish at Chef King restaurant, Bishop Jalan. Chicken biryani ആയിരുന്നു Chef King most popular. Parota, chili or sliced beef ആയിരുന്നു. Kappa meen curry ആയിരുന്നു, grilled chicken ആയിരുന്നു. Chef King most popular food. Parota, chili, sliced beef, grilled chicken, kappa meen curry or
everybody should get it right. This should have the maximum number.
19 people got it correct. Well done, guys. Yes, parota, chili or sliced beef was the correct answer.
That's the evidence.
Well, Rajiv moved up 1 position. Midun following him. Jayan at number 4. Priya James. Varsha has climbed up 3 places. Well done, Varsha. Moving on to the next question. Who were the regular step synchro champions in TKMC? Was it Anush Srijit? Was it Jijoy Ashwin? Was it Kakoli Pavana? Or was it Rakesh and Jimmy? Which pair were the regular step synchro champions? Anush Srijit, Jijoy Ashwin, Kakoli Pavana, Rakesh Jimmy.
That is Zamir, man.
12 people got it correct. It was Kakoli and Pavana.
Jimmy, നമുക്കൊരു പോയിന്റ് പോലും ഇല്ല കേട്ടാ.
Rajiv is climbing up. Hamsik in a tight competition and Rajiv. Mithun is still holding his position. Stanley is coming from behind. But Gauri is the highest climber. She's climbed up 4 places. Well done, Gauri. Keep it up. Which was the most requested song from the Art Fest DJ? Was it Words by Boyzone? Was it Who the Fuck is Alice? Was it Summer of 69? Or was it Hotel California? Most requested song from the Arts Fest DJ.
Don't swear.
Was it Words by Boyzone? Who the Fuck is Alice by Smokey? Who the Fuck is Alice by Smokey is the correct answer. Yes. ആർക്കെങ്കിലും എന്തെങ്കിലും പറയാനുണ്ടോ?
Might be on speaker, guys.
What's the
ഇന്നും ഒരു റിക്വസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്.
There might be kids that much. There might be kids much. There might be kids around.
All right. Moving on to the next question. Priya is up 5 places. Okay. Who was the only person from our batch representing TKM chess team? Was it Gautam Ganapati? Was it Ramesh C. Nair? Was it Sujay Mohan? Or was it Raj Mohan? No shouting answers, guys. Gautam Ganapati, I don't know. Ramesh C. I don't know. Who was the only person from our batch representing TKM chess team?
Gautam.
Gautam, Ramesh, Sujay, Raj Mohan. 14 people got it correct. Sujay Mohan is the correct answer. Sujay was a district champion also. Yep.
Yeah, you there, Sujay?
Stanley is giving Hamza tight competition.
Wait, I knew
Moving
the
on.
answers, man. Why am I not on the list?
How many pairs of Y2K batchmates got married to each other? We're talking about pairs of how many pairs of Y2K batchmates got married to each other? Was it 3, 4, 5, or 6?
Is there a third one? Really? Vinny and there is and Tushara, right?
7 people got it correct. The correct answer is 5. Now,
Listen, name it. Name them.
okay. They were Binita Abhilash, Binita Abhilash, Ashwin Jalu, Annama Jubi, Renil Tushara, and Pratyushant. Matte Pratyushant.
Preeti.
ഇല്ലേ അശോക്
So Binita Abhilash, Ashwin Jalu, Annama Jubi, Renil Tushara, Pratyushant.
Ashok Manjula.
അവനെയോ?
Ashok Manjula.
Yeah, Ashwin Manjula is there.
Ashwin Manjula.
Ashok.
Okay.
Blame Samira.
Were they in the same batch? Nammalda thanne batch.
Yeah, Ashok.
Question cancel ചെയ്തു.
Blame Samira. Moving on.
Samira നമ്മുടെ ക്ലാസ്സിലായിരുന്നു.